Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you want to learn something from this video, don't drag it and watch it from the beginning to the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single tip or trick. Today, we're diving into a project that's close to my heart, creating a thriving garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's always something new to learn. There's just something so fulfilling about nurturing plants and watching them flourish. It's a journey that brings peace, joy, and a sense of accomplishment. Dreaming of a flourishing home garden but unsure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll break it down step by step. Let's uncover the top 10 essential gardening tools every beginner needs to cultivate their green paradise. These tools will become your best friends in the garden. Whether you're starting with a window box of herbs or a backyard veggie patch, having the right tools can make all the difference. It's all about working smarter, not harder. We'll explore each tool's purpose and how it can help you create the garden of your dreams. From trowels to pruners, each tool has a unique role to play. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get our hands dirty. Together, we'll transform your space into a lush green haven. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about protecting those hardworking hands. Gardening can be a rewarding and therapeutic activity, but it can also be tough on your hands. From handling rough tools to dealing with thorny plants, your hands go through a lot. That's why it's essential to give them the protection they need. Just like we wouldn't dream of tackling a renovation project without our safety glasses, we shouldn't step into the garden without a good pair of gloves. Safety glasses protect our eyes from flying debris and dust, and similarly, gloves shield our hands from various gardening hazards. Gardening is best enjoyed with a trusty pair of gloves. They not only protect your hands but also enhance your grip on tools, making your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. Think of gloves as your gardening sidekicks, shielding your hands from prickly thorns, unexpected splinters, and even insect bites. They act as a barrier, keeping your skin safe from cuts and abrasions. And let's not forget the chill of damp soil. When you're working with wet earth, gloves keep your hands warm and dry, allowing you to work comfortably for longer periods. Trust me, when you're digging in the dirt, you'll encounter all of the above. From rocks and roots to bugs and moisture, your hands need all the protection they can get. When choosing your gardening gloves, look for a pair that's both durable and water-resistant. Durability ensures that your gloves can withstand the wear and tear of daily gardening activities, while water resistance keeps your hands dry even when working with wet soil or plants. You want them to withstand the wear and tear of digging, planting, and weeding. A good pair of gloves will last you through many gardening seasons, providing consistent protection and comfort. But comfort is key too. Gloves that are too tight can restrict movement and cause discomfort, while gloves that are too loose can slip off or make it difficult to handle tools. Look for gloves that fit well and offer a good balance of protection and flexibility. Look for gloves that offer flexibility and breathability so your hands don't feel stifled, especially during those warmer months. Breathable gloves allow air to circulate, keeping your hands cool and reducing sweat buildup. A good pair of gloves will quickly become your go-to gardening companion, making your gardening experience more enjoyable and efficient. They provide the confidence to tackle any task, knowing your hands are well protected. So choose wisely and give those hands the protection they deserve. Investing in a quality pair of gloves is a small price to pay for the comfort and safety they provide. Happy gardening! Next up is a tool that's small but mighty, the hand trowel. Despite its compact size, this tool packs a punch in the garden. This little helper is like the Swiss Army knife of gardening tools. It's a must-have for any gardener, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. It's incredibly versatile and perfect for a variety of tasks. You can use it for digging, planting, and even weeding. From digging those perfect little holes for your seedlings to transplanting delicate flowers, the hand trowel makes these tasks a breeze. And it doesn't stop there. You can also use it for mixing soil amendments, ensuring your plants get the nutrients they need. The hand trowel is your go-to for precision work in the garden. Its small size allows you to get into tight spaces and work with delicate plants. When choosing a hand trowel, look for one with a comfortable grip that fits snugly in your hand. An ergonomic handle can make a big difference during long gardening sessions. You want it to feel like an extension of your arm as you work. This will help reduce fatigue and make your gardening experience more enjoyable. The blade should be sturdy and rust-resistant, ensuring it can handle years of digging and planting. A high-quality blade will stay sharp and make your work easier. A good hand trowel is an investment that will last you for seasons to come. With proper care, it can be a reliable partner in your gardening adventures for many years. Remember to clean and store your hand trowel properly after each use. This will help maintain its condition and ensure it's ready for your next gardening project. So, whether you're planting new flowers, tending to your vegetable garden, or just enjoying some time outdoors, make sure you have a trusty hand trowel by your side. Now let's talk about the hand fork, also known as the cultivator. This tool is essential for keeping your soil happy and your plants thriving. Think of it as a massage therapist for your garden beds. The hand fork is perfect for loosening and aerating the soil, allowing roots to breathe and water to penetrate more easily. It's also a champ at removing weeds with its sharp, sturdy tines. When selecting a hand fork, look for one with a comfortable grip and tines that are strong enough to break up compacted soil. You want a tool that can handle the demands of your garden, whether you're working with clay or loam. Moving on to a true workhorse in the garden, the spade. This tool is indispensable for any gardener, from beginners to seasoned pros. Whether you're digging deep to plant a tree, edging your garden beds for a clean, defined look, or simply moving large amounts of soil, the spade is up to the task. When choosing a spade, look for one with a sharp, stainless steel blade that can easily slice through soil. The handle should be comfortable to grip, even during extended digging sessions. A good spade is an investment that will last for years, so choose one that's built to withstand the demands of your gardening adventures. Next, let's talk about a tool that's all about creating a clean slate in the garden, the rake. This versatile tool is essential for clearing debris, leveling soil, and prepping your garden beds for planting. When it comes to rakes, you have options. Metal rakes are ideal for heavier-duty tasks like soil preparation, while plastic rakes are gentler and perfect for gathering leaves and grass clippings. Choose the rake that best suits your gardening style and the tasks you'll be tackling. A good rake will make quick work of garden cleanup and leave your outdoor space looking tidy and inviting. Now, let's talk about a tool that's all about keeping your plants healthy and looking their best: pruning shears. Just like a haircut can do wonders for our appearance, pruning helps plants thrive by removing dead or diseased branches and encouraging new growth. Pruning shears are also essential for harvesting herbs, deadheading spent flowers, and even shaping shrubs and hedges. When choosing pruning shears, look for a pair that fits comfortably in your hand and feels balanced. The blades should be sharp and precise, allowing for clean cuts that minimize stress on your plants. Let's move on to a tool that's all about keeping your plants hydrated, the watering can. Just like we need water to thrive, so do our plant friends. A good watering can makes it easy to provide your plants with the right amount of moisture, whether they're delicate seedlings or thirsty tomatoes. Look for a watering can with a comfortable handle and a spout that allows for controlled watering. A detachable rose spout is a great feature, as it allows for gentle watering of delicate plants and seedlings. Now let's talk about a tool that's essential for keeping weeds at bay, the hoe. Weeds can quickly take over a garden if left unchecked, but a trusty hoe makes it easy to stay on top of things. Hoes come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. A standard hoe is great for general weeding and cultivating soil, while a stirrup hoe is ideal for slicing through weeds just below the soil surface. Choose the hoe that best suits your gardening style and the types of weeds you encounter most often. Moving on to a tool that's all about making gardening a little easier on your back, the wheelbarrow. Whether you're transporting bags of soil, moving heavy plants, or hauling away garden debris, a wheelbarrow is a true lifesaver. When choosing a wheelbarrow, look for one that's sturdy yet lightweight enough to maneuver easily around your garden. Consider the size of your garden and the types of materials you'll be transporting when selecting the right wheelbarrow for your needs. Last but not least, let's talk about a tool that's essential for keeping your soil loose and well aerated, the garden fork. While similar in appearance to the spade, the garden fork has sturdy tines that are perfect for penetrating compacted soil and breaking up clumps. Use your garden fork to turn compost into your garden beds, aerate the soil before planting, and even divide perennials. Equipping yourself with these essential tools sets the foundation for a successful and enjoyable gardening experience. Ready to dig in? Share your gardening journey in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more gardening insights, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening! Check out these videos for more beginner gardening tips and inspiration.